Should you replace a 20-year-old window? I have a lot of people ask me, you know, well, what's the right time to replace a window? Well, the answer is when it's bad is the simplest answer. I always answer with questions. It's like, do you still use a VHS player? And then why did you replace your Betamax? And now why do you not use your compact disc? It's like technology's ever evolving. And as weird as it sounds, there's technology in Windows. 20-year-old Windows are antiquated technology as far as efficiency and different forms and functions that the product has to offer. The things that I've seen, I've been doing this since 1989, the changes that I've seen in the products, efficiency-wise, operation-wise, color, style, and stuff like that, it's incredible. Like when I first started, you could get a window any color as long as it was white. That was it. You had white, or white. And now there's various colors, different wood grains, different textures. There's all kinds of different operations and features. And then the technology in the glass package, the spacers, the seals, the gas, the coatings, there's so many things. And we at Thermo King try to stay up on that. Our goal is to achieve the most efficient residential replacement window you can have in the United States. And we are constantly exploring and investigating and trying to adapt and consume that so that we can pass that on to the customer so they can achieve the benefits of all those things in their home. So the simplistic answer is the difference between a 20-year-old window and a brand new window, night and day. And one more stupid analogy. One of my favorite things to explain to a homeowner is most people have 1970s technology in their home. I know that's more than 20 years, by the way, but I just use that because in 1970s, cars used to get 8 miles to gallon. And now in the 2020s, we have cars that get 30, 40, 50 miles per gallon. And that's just the technology evolution in that time frame. Well, it's the very same thing with windows. A 20-year-old window does not have anywhere near the efficiency criteria that a modern window does.